So we're here at Power to Drive. I'm Gunnar, CEO of Installer.com, and you're?
Stefan, I'm the Chief Sales Officer here at Easee.
It's been some crazy days for you at Easee, and you have made a lot of announcements, Stefan. Talk us through a little bit,
Well, Germany is a very important market for us, and Power to Drive is one of the big events here in Europe, and not just for Germany, but for everywhere in Europe. First off, you can see our new charger that will be arriving later today, the Easee Charge Pro. Secondly, we have launched our, we call it our new brand platform. You can see new colors, we got some new merchandise, some cool t-shirts. That sort of sets the tone for what we call Effortless electrification, which is emphasizing the direction we're taking as a business. One of the cool things that we are doing as part of that is our collaboration as Installer.com, and as us as a manufacturer, installers are super important for us. And I think as part of that, we have some cool initiatives that hopefully drive and push our collaboration together. So maybe we can show you. So here you can see our installation made easy wall, which is showing actually how you install an Easee charger and how easy it is to install an Easee charger. For us, this is super important to show electricians, local electricians, how to use the product and how easy it is to use our product. One cool feature that we have here today is for installers, they can scan the QR code and actually sign up with the Installer.com journey to become part of the Easee installation group and receive the leads and the customers that are interested in the chargers.
And one thing that I also think is really cool, because we are of course working with thousands of installer companies across Europe. And when Easee say that their charger is easy to install, this is highly validated for us as well, because a lot of the installer companies that we are talking to are asking us, oh, can we access jobs from Easee? Oh, we really like to install the Easee chargers. How can we access more opportunities with them? So it's very obvious that Easee has built a product that the installers love. It's now all about ensuring that as many of these products are rolled out across Europe.
The hook here in terms of our collaboration, consumers are being directed to the experts that install our products. They actually get the leads from us and the customer. So we ensure that the customer get the right installer, we ensure that the installers get the jobs, and we ensure that our products get put on the walls. And I think that's a really good collaboration for us.
With the collaboration that we currently have right now, you guys are providing the consumer who accesses your various channels the opportunity to get a digital customer journey from start to finish. Yes, of course, you're not the ones selling the chargers, it's installers who get access to these jobs, but the customer always have that digital experience, somewhat what you would have if you ordered food from, I don't know, Uber Eats, if it's Foodora. You get that sort of convenience, that transparency, and that's something you get now if you also go on Easee.com and say that you want to order an Easee charger.
As our new way and the new direction is saying, effortless electrification, we want to make it effortless for the installer in terms of actually installing it. We would like to make it effortless for the consumer to buy our product, to use our product, and we want to make it effortless for everyone that touches our product in the entire distribution chain to ensure that we get the products on the wall.
It's really cool to see the next steps that Easee are taking, and for someone who is working in a different company but who's grown up in Stavanger myself, followed your journey, it feels very personal to me that we are having this collaboration, and we will make sure that, again, electrification becomes as effortless together as possible.
Looking very much forward to the next steps. Yeah.